Welcome. If you've ever saved a GIPHY clip on Facebook and now you're trying to find it again on your PC, this new update makes it a little easier once you know where to look. First, open the Facebook app on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the main screen, go to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open the main account menu with all your personal options. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. After that, go into Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps track of a lot of your recent actions, including different types of content you've interacted with across the platform. Inside the activity log, look for the section called Your Facebook Activity. This is the area you want because it helps you filter through the things you've done on your account. Instead of searching randomly, Facebook now organizes everything in a more structured way, which saves a lot of time. Now click on Reels. This is the important step because your saved GIPHY clips are stored under this category in the updated layout. Once you open Reels, scroll through the list and look for the GIPHY clips you saved earlier. If you've saved several of them, they should appear here in one place, making it much easier to find what you need. If you don't see it right away, take a slow look through the available entries and make sure you're checking the right account. Sometimes people use more than one Facebook profile, and that can make it seem like something is missing when it's actually saved somewhere else. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can find all the GIPHY clips you've saved on Facebook using the new update on PC. Once you know the path, it becomes simple, quick, and easy to repeat anytime you need it.